Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Visual Studio Installer and choose the Python development workload. This ensures editor, IntelliSense, and debugging are available. Next, install Python 3.10 or later and make sure to check Add to Path so command line commands work. Once done, enable pip and venv during installation so you can create isolated environments. These steps set up a reliable base, so subsequent configuration is fast and predictable. Now you configure the project and pick an interpreter so code runs as expected. Create a new Python project, pick a template that matches your app, and place it in a clear folder. Then choose or add an interpreter. Either point Visual Studio to a system Python or create a virtualenv and select it. This isolates dependencies. Install required packages with pip or a requirements txt file and make sure the debugger path and working directory match your project layout, so breakpoints and runs finish by running and validating your setup so development is smooth. Press F5 to run with the debugger and watch output and debug panels for immediate errors. Use the terminal for pip installs. Add tests in Test Explorer and pick Pytest or Unitest to confirm behavior. If something goes wrong, first verify your selected interpreter and that your virtual environment is activated in project settings. Once you confirm path and venv, most import or missing package issues are resolved quickly. This single check saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.